In this question, like we're asked to draw the graph for the following table of value and with suitable scale of the axis, right? So first is cost of the apple with number of the apple, right? So this one is the number of apple, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the cost is 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 in rupees. This is cost in rupees. So 5 apple, that means one apple costs 5, 2 apple 10, then 3 15. So it is basically a linear graph, as you can see. The second part is the distance traveled by a car. So distance traveled by the car, like, okay, with respect to time. So this one is time, 6 a.m. and then 7 a.m., 8 and 9. And this one is distance, the y-axis in kilometer. And we are choosing a scale of 40. 1 unit equal to 40 kilometer. So 40, 80, and then 120, 160. So at 6 a.m. it is 40, at 7 it is 80, at 8 it is 120, and at 9 it is 160. So this one is also linear graph. So how much distance did the car cover during the period 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m.? So since this is a linear graph, so between 7:30 it will be at the mid of 80 and 120, so that will be 100. And at 8 a.m. it is at 120, so it will cover 20-kilometer distance. And what was the time when the car had covered a distance of 100 kilometers since it started? So it started at 40. So we need to find out what was the time when it covered 100 kilometer, right? So we should see like when will the car is at the 140 kilometers. So that will be at 8:30. So at 8:30, between 8 and 9. So the distance cover will be between 120 and 160. That is a 140. So 8:30 a.m. the car would have covered 100 kilometers since it started. Now the C part is we are given the graph table of interest on deposit for a year, and we have a deposit value and we have interest value. Okay, so let's draw the graph. So here, like on x-axis we have the deposit, and that is like 1,000. We have 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000. And here, like we have interest in rupees. So that is like 80. Then we have 160, 240, then 320, and 400. So does the graph pass through the origin? No, it is a linear graph, but it doesn't pass through the origin. No. Use the graph to find out the interest on 2,500 for a year. So 2,500 is like between 2,000 to 3,000, and that will yield us between 160 to 240, and that will be 200 rupees. And to get an interest of 280 per year, how much money should be deposited? 280 will be 280 will be between the midpoint of 240 and 320, and that will be somewhere around here. And the money that need to be deposited is 3,500.